What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be throwing in the Lasfit 22-inch amber light bar in the lower grill. This will work on the standard 1500s and the Rebels as well. And this is basically the best option that I have found so far for light bars. So we can fit a 22-inch light bar with the brackets that I found online, and everything will be linked down below. And as far as Lasfit goes, I've never ran their products. I know a couple guys who have ran them, and they say they're really high quality, really nice output for the price. So I'm super excited to throw this in and see what the output looks like. And I think it's going to look really good there behind the grill. So without further ado, let's get this thing installed. So here's a quick view of the brackets I got from Amazon. This is strictly for a 22-inch light bar. So I think they were like 50 bucks, somewhere around there. Again, everything will be linked down below. I'm not really going to show the install of these because it's kind of a lot. There's kind of a lot going on back there in a tight spot, but they do give you some really nice colored picture directions. It's really straightforward. So again, I'm kind of just gonna do this off camera. You got great directions here. I just wanted to kind of show you the brackets, really nice powder coated brackets. So I'm gonna get these installed and then we will go from there. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna kind of slide under here and show you how these are mounted. So these are the brackets, the light bar brackets. There are two 13 millimeter bolts right there and right there. You remove those two, put this bracket on, and put those two 13 millimeter bolts back in, and that is literally all you need to do to put these mounting brackets on. Super easy. And then next, I'm gonna have to swap out this lower grill for the open lower grill. Again, part number will be down below for that. That is just a matter of a bunch of 8mm nuts with studs. Loosen those up, pull those out, and then you have a series of clips along the bottom. Pull those clips out. Grill will push out from the front, I believe. We put the OEM open grill in and put all the hardware back in, and then we mount our light bar. Alright guys, so for our application, we're not going to use any brackets. Because we have these brackets that will mount directly to the light bar. So the light bar is going to sit in here like so. And then we just take the supplied two washers. We got a crush washer and then a normal washer, and then the Allen. Put it through the bracket and start it into the light bar, just like that. And we will do the same on the other side. Just like that. And it comes with an Allen key, and simply tighten them down. I'm not going to tighten them down too far because I still want to be able to aim this thing once everything's together. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you where I plumb the wiring here for the switch. So as you can see, I got that one wire coming through the firewall, which goes to the switch that's right there. I just kind of tucked the wire in here because A, I don't really like this switch and I might change it eventually, and B, just haven't really found a good spot for it. So it's kind of out of sight, out of mind, but still easy to click on and off. So that's where I'm going to put it for now. But as far as running the wiring for the switch through here, let me see if I can prop my light up. Here we go. All right, so this little rubber flap here, and then when you bend this back, there's another rubber grommet right here that goes through the firewall. So basically all I did was push the wire through there to the engine compartment. That's pretty much all you need to do in here. And then obviously under the hood is where we attach, or where we plug the switch into the harness, which goes to the battery and then to the light bar. Alright guys, there it is installed. I know when I made this video I had this grill out. You're going to want to put this grill in first before you do the light bar. I only did this so you can kind of see what was going on, because the light bar is in the way of putting all these clips along the bottom in. So save yourself the pain and agony of doing the grill after the light bar's in, because it is a pain to get all these clips in with the light bar in there. So now we will go and do some output shots and see how it looks at night.